For some files, reducing the size of a PDF makes it easier for emailing and uploading to a document management system. The Reduce File Size feature decreases the size of the file, which increases the efficiency of handling the drawings by minimizing the time required for loading or processing. To get started, go to Document, then Reduce File Size. In the Reduce File Size dialog, select the PDF you wish to compress. Bluebeam Revu will provide the current file size and an estimate of the reduced size based on your output settings. Under Output Options, adjust your output settings using a slider with 5 settings. Slide to the left for quality to maintain image clarity, but with less file size reduction. This is ideal for documents with detailed images. Slide to the right for compression to achieve a more significant file size reduction, mainly at the expense of image quality. This setting is best suited for text-only documents. If needed, you can create custom presets by clicking Edit. In the Custom Settings dialog, you'll find options for compressing various file elements and a visual representation of the file content type. Note that vector content isn't included, as it's already highly efficient. After adjusting your settings, save the preset by providing it with a name and clicking Save. Return to the main dialog by selecting OK. Finally, if you'd like to add a prefix or suffix to the reduced file name, you can do so in the available fields before saving the file. By following these steps, you can efficiently reduce your PDF file size using Revu, ensuring seamless sharing and efficient storage.